Is there anything worse than the pain of a terrible stomach ache? You know what I'm talking about, the kind where your guts are just burning and there's movement through and you don't know whether it's better to have it out or in because it's so uncomfortable moving around in your bowels. Hi, I'm Dr. Cynthia Clark, acupuncture physician and applied clinical nutritionist, and one of the things we talk about here at Longevity Wellness is poop. The reason for this is because the color and consistency of your bowel movements are important diagnostic information. From that, we can tell the amount of fat that might be in your system. We can have clues about your spleen qi health and deficiency. We can have information about the entire processing of your entire body just by the matter of your poop. Now, most people are a little surprised when I ask them detailed questions about the color and the consistency and the number of bowel movements. It's all important diagnostic information. So when you come in, don't be alarmed by the amount of questions that we'll ask you about your poop. All right, now that we've gotten that out of the way, I want to talk to you about digestive disorders, and specifically one called small intestine bacterial overgrowth. This is a less diagnosed bowel disorder, and in fact, it's often categorized as IBS just because a doctor doesn't know what SIBO is, small intestine bacterial overgrowth. There is a tremendous connection between the brain and the gut, and there's also a tremendous connection between the liver and the gut. The liver is, of course, part of the digestive system, crucial to helping to digest fats, and whenever our bodies are under stress, it affects the 30,000 different actions that the liver has in the system. So in Chinese medicine, we use the diagnosis liver overacting on spleen to describe the feeling of when you're stressed out, then either you tend to feel like you can't eat anything at all, or maybe your appetite's really high. Maybe when you get stressed out, you want to eat tons and tons and tons of food. So liver overacting on spleen is one of the differentiations that we can work with on the acupuncture side here at Longevity Wellness. On the whole food nutrition side and the applied kinesiology, then one of the things that we do is we'll test these specific areas of your body. We'll find out what your areas of strength and weakness are, and we'll help with Chinese herbs and with whole food supplements. We'll help to boost those up, and we'll give you recommendations on exactly the foods that you can eat. So you may be surprised at the number of foods that you can eat in this kind of situation. In addition, we'll do a GI DNA test, which is a comprehensive stool examination you'll do in the comfort of your own home. And from this information, we can get very, very comprehensive, accurate information about what's happening inside your bowels, so that way you don't have to suffer that pain and discomfort any longer. It's been great talking to you. I look forward to talking to you again soon.